Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this video we're looking at a new family of HDMI 2.0 switchers. There's two products in the family. There's a 8 input, 8 output and a 4 input, 4 output. Both capable of 4K, 444 colour space and HDR. Let's have a look what's in the box. So this is well packaged as ever. You get an accessories box. So this is a box of treats. Let's see what we've got in here. Power cable. There's a USB stick. The reason for the USB stick is there's companion software called MX Tools that comes with this unit and enables you to control the Matrix from a PC. Remote control. So this remote control has got a bunch of features, including being able to choose inputs and outputs, but also just looking on here, you can also do things like mute and file presets, things like that. We have a infrared eye ear racking mount, so these are really useful if you want to put the device in a rack. And then lastly, power supply. Feels like a really well made power supply with a DIN connector on the end, so no issues with it kind of falling out. It will push in that hole nice and snugly. This is the unit itself. So let's pull this out. Once again, it's well packaged. Everything that comes from tvONE has got lots of packaging to protect it during transit to you. Let's have a look at this. Now, I won't be firing this up in this video, but in a future video I will be, so make sure you come back and see us then. So here is the unit itself. So you can see this is the 6588, so that's got 8 inputs, 8 outputs, and then you've got over this side you can select presets. You can lock the unit, clear, and hit take as well. And then there's the familiar source output selection here. Like I said, I'm going to fire this up in a future video, but if you want to find out more beforehand, look online at the manuals on there. On the rear, they've all got plugs in at the minute, but you can see on the rear I have my 8 inputs and my 8 outputs. And as well as that, I've got Ethernet control, my power connector and on-off switch, USB, so that's for firmware upgrades, and RS232 as well. I'll be firing this up in a future video, so please come back and see that. But for now, that's the tvONE MX-6588, and don't forget its partner in the family, which is the 4 input, 4 output, which is the MX-6544. For now though, thanks for watching, see you in a future video. Bye bye.